The Brave Monkey Pirate by Hayes Roberts. One day, the pirate Pete was out running errands with his mom. They shopped for groceries and ate peas at his favorite restaurant. Then the pirate Pete's mom said, "Oh yes, we need to stop at the doctor's office for a quick checkup." The doctor checked Pete's heart, his blood pressure, and his knees. Then he explained that Pete would come back the next day and get a shot to protect him from scurvy or something. The pirate Pete did not like shots. That evening his father came home and Pete told him all about the visit to the doctor. Pete's father said, "Pete, I know of something that can help you. Take this map and my fastest pirate ship and find it. Also, if you stay very still for the doctor, you can have some ice cream." So Pete followed the map through the wildest seas and sneaked past creatures so terrible that they will not be described in this book, until he reached an icy castle at the top of the mountains. Inside, he found a great crab wizard on a crab wizard throne. The crab wizard spoke these words, "Monkey pirate, because you have braved many obstacles to get here, I will give you this rock. When you get a shot, you must squeeze the rock very tightly and count to 3. You will be magically taken into the future where the shot will be finished. Also, you can have some ice cream after." The pirate Pete thanked him and sailed back home to get some sleep. The next morning, he took the rock with him to the doctor's office. The doctor hummed a little song and filled up Pete's shot. Pete closed his eyes very tightly, squeezed the rock as hard as he could, and counted 1, 2, 3. The crab wizard was right. The shot was finished. The brave monkey pirate was now immune to scurvy and some other stuff. And he had ice cream on the way home. The end.